If you're a content creator, video maker, or simply a fan of animation, you probably know how important it is to have the right tools to bring your creative visions to life. With AI technology advancing at breakneck speed, the world of animation has never been more exciting, accessible, and dare I say, fun. You no longer need to be a professional animator to make jaw-dropping videos. AI animation tools are here to revolutionize the way we create content. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 AI animation tools that can help you create stunning visuals, whether you're working on a marketing campaign, a personal project, or just looking to impress your social media followers. So let's dive right in. Number 10. Halo, AI for 2D and 3D animations. You know how everyone loves a good text-to-video conversion? Halo is the king of this category. Imagine being able to write a detailed description and transform it into a fully animated video with just a few clicks. Sounds like magic, right? The best part? It's easy to use, and the AI does a pretty good job of capturing all the details you describe in your prompt. For example, if you're working on a movie script, just paste it into Halo's platform, hit generate, and voila, you've got a video ready to go. The free version of Halo offers you 100 credits per day, and a whopping 1,000 bonus credits during the first 3 days. Not bad, right? So if you're looking to create high-quality 2D and 3D animated videos with the least effort, Halo is your go-to tool. If you want even more flexibility, consider upgrading to a paid plan for additional credits. Number 9. Kling AI, realistic motion animation. Let's talk about realistic motion animation. Kling AI has mastered the art of creating dynamic and lifelike animations that can make your content look like it was created by a seasoned pro. It allows you to create high-quality videos with realistic facial expressions, movements, and even lip sync. Here's where Kling AI stands out. It lets you generate videos from a text prompt, which is a huge bonus for content creators looking for fast turnaround without compromising on quality. If you've ever struggled with creating realistic animations for characters, Kling AI is the magic wand you've been searching for. As a bonus, the free version gives you 300 credits per month, along with 66 bonus credits daily, which is more than enough to generate a good amount of content. Whether you're crafting social media posts, intros, or even promotional videos, Kling AI has you covered. Number 8. Runway ML, AI-powered video editing. If you want to bring your characters to life with precise facial expressions and movements, then Runway ML is the tool you need. Whether you're a professional video editor or someone just getting started, Runway ML's AI-powered video editing tools will help you take your projects to the next level. With Runway ML, you can use facial capture technology to upload a video of your performance and have it transformed onto an AI character of your choice. The AI does an amazing job of replicating facial expressions, head movements, and even intricate details like eye blinks and lip sync. You could literally create an entire movie with unique characters all performed by you. It's an animator's dream. Runway ML gives you access to a free plan, but if you find yourself craving more credits for larger projects, you can always upgrade to a paid plan that suits your needs. Number 7. Hedra AI, talking avatars. Ever wanted to create a talking avatar? Or, more specifically, a talking avatar that speaks just like you or someone else, without needing to step in front of a camera? Hedra AI lets you do exactly that. This tool is incredibly fun to use. You can upload an image and sync it with audio, creating a lifelike talking avatar in seconds. The lip syncing is so on point, your avatar will practically talk on its own. Whether you need to create educational content, ads, or even customer support videos, Hedra AI takes the hassle out of video production. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just upload an image, add your audio, hit generate, and bam, you've got a talking avatar that's ready to go. Number 6. Viggle AI, AI motion capture and face swap. What if you could swap faces or even replace people in videos with anyone you wanted? Well, that's exactly what Viggle AI does. It uses advanced motion capture technology to remove or replace people in videos, which is perfect for creating funny videos, celebrity shoutouts, or even something as wild as a superhero dancing to a viral tune. Here's the fun part: you can upload your own video and replace the main character with someone entirely different. Imagine swapping your face with your favorite celebrity or replacing a friend's face with an animated character. The possibilities are endless. Viggle AI allows you to generate up to 10 videos of up to 60 seconds each daily with the free plan. For more advanced features, you can upgrade to a paid plan. Number 5. Pika Labs, AI VFX. Adding high-quality VFX to a video used to require expensive software and tons of time. But now with Pika Labs, you can add mind-blowing effects to your videos in a matter of minutes, and the best part is, it's all done using AI. Whether you're looking to create an eye-catching background for a motivational video, fun facts, or even for storytelling, Pika Labs makes adding visual effects a walk in the park. Just upload an image, choose an effect, and watch as Pika Labs transforms it into something magical. The tool offers 150 credits per month with its free plan, and if you need more credits, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. Number 4. Go Enhance, AI video upscaling and enhancement. We've all seen those animation videos on social media that seem to pop out of the screen and demand our attention. These videos often come with super unique animation styles like cartoons, comics, and anime. Go Enhance lets you take your regular video and turn it into an animated masterpiece in just a few seconds. The tool allows you to upload any video and apply a variety of animation styles to it. Want your video to look like an anime intro? Go ahead. How about giving it a cartoonish feel? Easy. This tool is perfect for content creators who want to add a bit of flair to their videos without spending days learning animation techniques. With the free plan, you can change the style of the video for up to 5 seconds. If you want longer videos, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Number 3. Adobe Animator AI-assisted motion graphics. If you're in the market for 2D animation, Adobe Animator is the tool to beat. It's a game changer for creating animated videos from scratch. With simple drag and drop features, you can add characters, backgrounds, voiceovers, and much more. What makes Adobe Animator stand out is its ease of use. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find yourself making great animations in no time. Plus, it has a huge library of assets, so you won't have to spend hours creating elements from scratch. Whether you're creating content for kids, educational videos, or just want to tell an animated story, Adobe Animator is a solid choice. Number 2. Immersity AI, 3D animation and virtual worlds. If you're looking to add some 3D motion effects to your videos, Immersity AI is the tool for you. It allows you to take any image and add 3D effects and motion in just a few clicks. The result? Stunning visuals that make your content stand out in a crowd. With the free plan, you get 100 credits, which can be used to create videos with watermarks. If you want to download videos without watermarks or in higher quality, you'll need to purchase credits. But trust me, it's worth it for the stunning 3D effects you can create. Number 1. Animated Drawings, AI Sketch to Animation. Animated Drawings, the ultimate tool for turning your hand-drawn sketches into fully animated characters. This tool is like bringing your childhood dreams to life. Imagine sketching a quirky character and seeing it move and interact on screen. It's like magic. Whether you're creating content for social media, personal projects, or educational content, this tool is a fun and easy way to animate your sketches. You just upload your drawing, mark the character's joints, and watch it come to life. And that's a wrap on the top 10 AI animation tools you absolutely need to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in animation, AI, and all things tech. Got any favorite animation tools of your own? Drop them in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next one, and until then, keep creating, keep innovating.